People are using simple AI tools to make $50, $100, even $300 per day without any skills. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same using tools that are 100% free. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 powerful AI tools that can help you start earning today. No investment, no experience. Just pure AI power. AI tool number 1, Opus Clip Automated Video Editing. Use case: auto-create viral shorts for clients' income method. Sell short-form editing on Fiverr, Upwork earnings example. $10-25 per video clients order in bulk. Opus Clip turns long YouTube videos into viral TikToks and shorts in seconds. You don't need editing skills. Just upload a video and the AI does everything: captions, reframing, cuts, hooks. People are selling this exact service on Fiverr and earning hundreds per week. Find long videos on YouTube, podcasts, interviews, convert them into shorts. Using Opus Clips, tell 10 to 20 clips per order on Fiverr Guru. Deliver within 1 hour. AI tool number 2, ChatGPT Gemini freelance writing. Income: $5, $20 per article script. You can offer blog writing,